Hello, it's just me again. Let me give you a brief video here where I just talk to you about directions for getting started and sort of how you're going to work through this course this semester, how it's going to be laid out. Okay, your starting point is going to be Blackboard. So if you've made it to this YouTube channel and you're watching me, that means you've made it to Blackboard, which is good. That's the place you want to start. You're looking at a pre-designed course shell that was created by our program for this class for consistency to make sure that this class is taught the same no matter who teaches it. So you're not going to get a whole lot of different things from me personally as an instructor, with the exception of these YouTube videos. I always try to do these for my online classes. So you won't get these from other instructors, probably not. But you'll get at least one of these from me each week. But the shell that you're looking at in Blackboard on the left-hand side, you'll see some basic things. The syllabus, you can make sure you've read through that. There's an announcements, so I'll be posting the announcements. That's the starting point. I'll tell you what's been or what's going to be required of you that week. Also, you'll see the assignments. If you check out the assignments link, if you want to open up Blackboard and look at that. This is going to tell you sort of when the different assignments from MyITLab are going to be rolled out. So there'll be dates that are going to become available one by one. And then it's going to tell you what you want to read and what you want to do, basically. So it may say something like log into MyITLab and work through a particular chapter, chapter 1. Work through the example exercises, maybe take a practice test. So that's going to be active one by one. You'll see eventually by the end of the semester on that assignments page 32 of those days that are active. Now, there aren't links on there. What you're going to always want to do, well, there may be some links, but what you're always going to want to do is once you check Blackboard, to see what you're going to be required to do, go to a website called MyITLab. Now, let me talk briefly about how to get into this MyITLab and our course. Now, if you purchased your textbook, it should have come with a code, a MyITLab code, a login and password. And you need that login and password to access the site and then enroll in our course within that site. We're not really doing anything except for that this week, so I want you it always takes a little while to get everyone logged in, so that's the main thing I want you to do is just make sure you can get logged into that. So and let me know if you do have any questions. Okay, so you'll buy your book if you haven't already, and it'll come with this account. If you bought a used book or something and it did not come with this, then you're going to have to buy the account separately, and you can contact me. I can help you do that. The bookstore should sell that separately, or you can buy it online also. But once you get that and get logged in, you'll want to check the course ID. So you need a course ID from me, and I've provided that ID for you on the first announcement and also on the assignments page, I believe. But when you'll see it in Blackboard, so just check the first announcement. It's going to say MyITLab course ID. So when you get into MyITLab, you're going to see a button at the top. It says My Courses. You're going to want to click on the big button that says enroll in a course, and then click that, and then you want to enter that course ID that I'm giving you here in Blackboard. Alright, and once you do that, you should be set up and good to go, and you want to take a little bit of time just to kind of navigate MyITLab, and you'll see an assignment rolled out next Monday to get started. There's nothing for you to actually do in there right now, because my main goal is just to make sure everybody can get logged into that site. But then the content will start appearing on there once you're logged into it. So that's how the course is going to work. That's how you want to get started and logged in. It's kind of a lot to explain. I hope it's fairly clear. Again, just the basics of what you're doing. You're going to want to start with Blackboard each week. They're going to be 2 updates per week. Monday and Wednesday. So, check and see what's required of you using the assignments link on the left-hand side. Okay, then you want to go to the MyITLab site, which you'll see the links and everything through Blackboard. I'll make that perfectly clear. You go to the MyITLab site, log in with the username and password that came with your book, and if you're not already enrolled, enroll in the course, and that's where you're going to really be completing the course. So you'll be working through all the material, taking the practice tests, taking the actual exams. Everything happens through that site. Other links in the left-hand menu that we may use in this class, there's an email link. That's the best way for you to contact me. So make sure that if you want to contact me, use that email link on the left-hand menu in Blackboard. Don't use my KCTCS email. You can call me or stop by my office. That's fine too if you'd like to do that. There's also discussion board, and there's also my grades. I might do the my grades in Blackboard, or I may do them in MyITLab. I'll let you know which is going to work better for that. MyITLab will do the grading also, or I may do them in both places. So that's about all I can think of, just to kind of give you a brief overview of sort of the directions for how the class is going to work and how you get started. If you do have any questions or this is unclear at all, just let me know. I'll be glad to help you out. And I look forward to working with you this semester. I gotta stop this video. I can't find it. Okay. I'm still going. I'm still talking. This is awkward.